Hi there, how are you? It's Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC. This is that beautiful 2015 Kia Sedona that you asked about. You can see the turn signals in the mirrors, power doors, power tailgate, power seat. This is a really neat vehicle. It's got the push start. It's got a lot of nice safety features, blind spot. You've got air conditioned and heated seats, front and rear, lots of storage. You've got navigation, you've got a backup camera. Well, see, now you know it works. It's showing up there because the tailgate's open. And it's just a gorgeous van. Take a look at this. Look at the seating. It's a custom two-tone with the different stitching and piping. So it's really a two-tone gray to match the brown titanium exterior. You got overhead vents. Of course, the seats fold flat into the floor, but when they're up, you got plenty of room for bags and all, so they won't slide back and forth all over the place. The power tailgate's here. The vehicle's pretty much like new. It's actually, it's a local van. You have the balance of the factory warranty. You got a lot of time left. It's got just over 14,000 miles. You can see that's a power passenger seat also. And with the 3.3 V6, which has 276 horsepower, you're going to get up to 22 miles per gallon, depending on how you drive. The mirrors do have a power fold feature too, so you can fold them, so this way you walk in between them. Look at this beautiful metallic color. It's here, it's available. This is Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC, 954-406-1433. Please give me a call, let me know when you can come by and test drive.